Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I'm really happy to join in the bunny nail collaboration hosted by Patsy Nail, and here is my design. So I'm going to show you how I achieved this right now. So I'm starting off with some spring colors. This is Jasmine from Peggy Sage and Margot from Peggy Sage, and I love how these two colors go together, and these are French nail polishes. I'm also using MDU stamping polishes because they're well pigmented. I know they have a strong smell, but I couldn't know the pigmentation this time around. And I love the colors for spring. I'm using pure white from Queen. Thank you Guyanine again for this. You're my girl. And Little Undine's water-based top coat. So I'm going to be also using my Big Bling stamper and my Citura Alt Delete cuticle protection because things will be getting a bit messy. So for my grass, I'm going to be using the Suki Collection plate number 10 from Moya London. I normally use this plate for Halloween, but it was the only plate I actually had grass on it, and I have quite a few plates now. So I was a bit surprised. Then I'm going to be using plate TO17 and plate TO18 to stamp on my Easter eggs and carrots and bunnies. I'll be mixing different stamping polishes to get a multicolored image in one go. So here's the thought process behind how I get around to designing my collaborations. So once we get the theme, normally we have the theme on a Sunday. And so then I procrastinate for the whole week, and then last minute on Saturday I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to know like what I'm going to design on my nail because I already have to post this or I'm going to miss my deadline. So what I do, I go through all of my plates, and I have about 50 or 60 plates, and I try to figure out what designs go with the theme and what I feel like stamping onto my nail, and if I want to do something that's more complicated or more simpler. And then once I get the design, I think about what colors I want to mix together. So it can go really quick, or I can just be like, oh, I don't know what to do, and then go online and try to get some inspiration. So there you go. In case you're wondering how I actually managed to put my designs together. So don't forget to check out all the ladies' beautiful manicures. All the links will be down below, and till next time, stay beautifully polished and happy Easter. Bye!